Ellipal Titan Hardware Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Ellipal Titan Hardware Wallet App promises complete crypto protection in the palm of your hand. But is it really the safest option out there, or just another expensive gadget? Let's break down the real pros and cons. First, the pros. The Ellipal Titan is one of the few hardware wallets that's completely air-gapped. That means it has no USB, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections, nothing that can be remotely hacked. Instead, it uses QR codes to sign and verify transactions. This isolation makes it incredibly secure against online attacks. It's also built like a tank. The device has a metal body that's both temper-resistant and durable. Even if someone tried to physically open it, the wallet would wipe its data automatically, keeping your assets safe. Companion Ellipal app complements the hardware beautifully. You can easily manage Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and over 10 zero tokens. The app provides real-time price updates, staking options, and portfolio tracking, all while your private keys stay locked inside the Titan. But now, the cons. Since the wallet is fully air-gapped, transactions take more steps. You have to scan QR codes between your phone and the device for every operation. It's secure, yes, but not the fastest experience. Another issue is the price. The Ellipal Titan costs more than many competitors, so it may not be the best option for casual investors. And while it supports many coins, some newer blockchains and tokens aren't integrated yet, which could limit your portfolio flexibility. In conclusion, the Ellipal Titan Hardware Wallet App is ideal for users who put maximum security above all else. It's not the most convenient wallet, but when it comes to protecting your crypto from both hackers and physical tampering, it's one of the toughest on the market. If you value true cold storage and peace of mind, the Titan lives up to its name.